Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So the one last thing at the end of the day I wanted to show you was this is new from Nelson Rigg on the Rigg gear line. This is the quick release plate. So if you have the saddlebags, this style rack on the rear of your bike, they absolutely work perfect. Got the clips right on here where they mount right onto your bike like that. Pull it up, raise it, latch it on just like so. So if you have a bag loaded with your luggage, you want to take them off, take them in the hotel room or whatever, super simple. Instead of having to unstrap your bags just like that, pull it up, clip it on. It's that simple. You can also get a lock and put in here or just pin it either way, but that's simple to remove. Take your bags off. Okay, so clipping this thing on, actually all we do is just take this, set the bottom two tabs in, and it just clicks in just like that. And to release it, all you're gonna do is just pull this up, pull it off just like that. Super simple, just like that. Also, we have this optional bracket right here. So if you have a BMW that has the offset racks, that is actually an extender for this right here. So we'll take this, put it over here and bolt this to it. And then when you put it on, you have that extra extension to reach back on the BMW offset racks. Okay, so these things actually will fit any rack pretty much that's up to 20 millimeters. And you can see here the bottom brackets, as far as you can move them horizontally and they'll fit in any of these slots depending on the rack that you have. These here on the vertical slots, you can unbolt it, move it anywhere, any of these vertical slots for your top rack. So that makes it where it's real versatile and pretty much fits any rack system that you may have. All right guys, so that is it for the Rigg Gear Adventure quick release plate. I will post a link below where you can check these out at nelsonrig.com. Thank you all for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll catch you all in the next adventure. Right on.